Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ShowSnaps, where we're always on the pulse of what's hot and happening in the world of fashion. Today, we've got a real treat for you. Meet Philip Bloch, the renowned stylist and designer who's taking on the biggest challenge of his career. So, you might be wondering what could possibly get Philip Bloch excited about reviving American manufacturing. Well, let me tell you, it all starts with tariffs. Those pesky tariffs that have been wreaking havoc on our clothing industry. Yeah, they're actually a blessing in disguise for Bloch and his team. He believes that if we can get production back in the US, we can reclaim our status as a major player in the fashion world. Now you might be thinking, but Philip, how can we possibly compete with countries like Italy, France, and Japan when it comes to manufacturing? Well, Bloch has a solution: smart factories. These cutting-edge facilities use technology and innovative designs to create high-quality clothing with relatively little labor. It's not just a pipe dream, folks. These factories are already changing the game for fashion companies around the world. But here's the catch. It takes funding, and a lot of it. We're talking 4 to 7 years minimum. And that's where Bloch and his coalition come in. They're teaming up with behind-the-scene fashion companies like Parkdale Mills, Stars Design and Manufacturing Group, Variant 3D Textiles, the SG Files, and the Creative Coalition to make a case for government support. Now you might be thinking, but won't this just lead to more jobs in factories? Well, yes and no. The real game changer here is retail and fashion houses. When we revive American manufacturing, we're not just talking about factory jobs, we're talking about creating entire ecosystems of designers, retailers, and stylists like Philip Bloch. So, what's at stake? Well, let me put it this way. The US fashion industry has been asleep at the wheel for far too long. We've ceded ground to countries that have been innovating and adapting for decades. It's time for us to wake up and take control of our own destiny. Philip Bloch is ready to negotiate with the president, folks. He's got a coalition behind him, and he's confident that with the right support, we can turn this industry around. And if you're as passionate about fashion as I am, then you've got to be on board with this revolution. Join us next time on ShowSnaps for more updates on this exciting development in the world of fashion.